We are in Florida and it's getting hot. Well, you know it's a very hot state. You want to make sure that the whole venue that you pick has excellent AC system in here and that it's up to date. And also that they give you enough time to do your event so that you can have flexibility and not worry about, oh my gosh, am I going to have enough time for this event? With us, you will, and hopefully you'll pick somewhere that's going to give you enough time, at least give you 10 to 12 hours so that you can have enough time to do everything that you will need to do to prepare for your special day. This is Izzy with Clearwater Hall Rentals. Follow me for more.